Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is anti-Parkinsonian drugs. That is Parkinson disease. Parkinsonism, it is a extrapyramidal motor disorder, occurs due to degeneration of dopaminergic neurons in the substantia nigra pars compacta, result in dopamine deficiency. There is dopamine deficiency and dopaminergic receptor deficiency in the substantia nigra. It occurs in 2% elderly population, classically disease of 7th decade of life. It is an imbalance between dopaminergic neurotransmitter, it is inhibitory neurotransmitter, and the excitatory neurotransmitter, cholinergic neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. There is acetylcholine overactivity. In short, we can say it is the imbalance between dopamine and acetylcholine. Parkinson disease characterized by tremors, resting tremors, pale rolling motions of hand suppressed by activity, sleep, gait disturbances, postural instability, imbalance and loss of writing reflexes, rigidity, and increase in resistance to passive movement, and bradykinesia, slow onset of movement, paucity of movement. Picture shows the Parkinsonisms. Pathophysiology of Parkinsonism and its treatment. Normal individual, dopamine neurotransmitter and acetylcholine, there is a balance. It is inhibitory neurotransmitter and this is the excitatory neurotransmitter in the basal ganglia. When there is Parkinson disease, there is imbalance, that is deficiency of dopaminergic receptors and thereby overactivity of acetylcholine. Parkinsonism results due to depletion of dopamine in relation to cholinergic activity, that is acetylcholine. In the treatment, there is given dopaminergic drug, thereby deficiency is covered, thereby a balance. Restore normal dopamine acetylcholine activity of muscarinic receptor in the striatum. Who is he? This picture showing the Muhammad Ali Clay at the age of 22 years. He awarded world champion heavyweight boxer in 1962. This boxer developed Parkinsonism in 1980. Parkinsonism, previously we mentioned rigidity, tremor, hypokinesia or bradykinesia, impairment of postural balance, failing. Drugs of the Parkinsonism, that is anti-Parkinsonian drugs, is the fighting agents. Treatment of Parkinson disease, and normal there is balance acetylcholine and dopamine. In disease condition, there is overactivity of acetylcholine due to deficiency of dopamine. When treatment dopamine given, there is a balance between acetylcholine and dopamine. Classification of anti-Parkinsonian drugs. Drugs acting on dopaminergic system, that is dopaminergic agonist, and drug acting on cholinergic system, that is anticholinergic drug. Dopaminergic drugs, dopamine precursor, levodopa. Peripheral decarboxylase inhibitors, carbidopa and benserazide. Dopaminergic agonist, bromocriptine, remember this. MAO-B inhibitors, salicylic, rasazyline. COMT inhibitors, entacapone and telcapone. Dopamine facilitators, amantadine. Drug acting on cholinergic system, that is anticholinergic, central anticholinergics. Remember the benzhexol and procyclidine. Antihistamines are orphenadrine, promethazine. Anti-Parkinsonian drug, why not used dopamine and tyrosine? Because dopamine does not cross the blood-brain barrier. Thereby we use levodopa. Levodopa is the prodrug. After metabolism, it becomes dopamine. Tyrosine decrease the activity of rate-limiting enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. Thereby, if use tyrosine, thereby decrease synthesis of dopamine. Anti-Parkinsonian drugs, important drug is levodopa. It is the prodrug, metabolic precursor of dopamine, inactive by itself. 95% of an oral dose is decarboxylated in the peripheral tissues, mainly gut and liver, and converted into dopamine. Only about 22% of administered levodopa crosses to the brain. Always used in combination with carbidopa or benserazide. It is peripheral decarboxylase inhibitors. Levodopa mechanism of action. In the brain, levodopa converted to dopamine by the dopa decarboxylase. Dopamine interacts with D2 receptors and relieves symptoms of Parkinsonism. We know Parkinsonism is due to deficiency of dopamine. When we give levodopa, it enters into the brain and converted to dopamine, and dopamine relieves symptoms of Parkinsonism. In periphery, levodopa converted to dopamine. Dopamine do not cross the blood-brain barrier. Thereby, carbidopa, when used, it blocks the dopa decarboxylase enzyme. Thereby, levodopa not converted to dopamine, and levodopa enters into the brain, and then it converted to dopamine. Otherwise, carbidopa blockage action, dopamine not formed in the periphery, and thereby reduce the adverse effect in the heart, blood vessel, in the CTZ, thereby cause nausea, vomiting, etc. Levodopa is usually combined with carbidopa. Levodopa in periphery converted to dopamine. Thereby, small portion of levodopa enters into the brain. When levodopa used with carbidopa, levodopa only a few percent is converted to dopamine. Most of the levodopa entered into the brain and converted to dopamine. So, advantages of the combinations are less dose of levodopa required and more effect of levodopa, increased half-life of levodopa, less side effects of levodopa periphery, vitamin B6 interaction does not occur. Pharmacokinetics of levodopa. Absorption. Absorbed orally by active transport. Decrease by the presence of food, especially amino acid, so it is administered on empty stomach. Bioavailability affected by amino acid present in food compete for the same carrier for absorption, so it should be given 30 to 60 minutes before meal. Distribution. Levodopa crosses blood-brain barrier. Plasma half-life of levodopa is 1 to 2 hours. Metabolism. Levodopa 95% is rapidly decarboxylated to dopamine in periphery. Dopamine is metabolized in liver to dihydroxyphenyl acetic acid (DOPAC) and homovanillic acid (HBA), which are then excreted in urine. Adverse effect of levodopa in CNS: euphoria, anxiety, agitation, insomnia, psychological disturbances. GIT adverse effect is anorexia, nausea, vomiting due to stimulation or D2 receptor. Cardiovascular system: postural hypotension, tachycardia, hypertension occurs with large dose. On-off phenomena, that is, sudden discontinuation can result in fever, rigidity, and confusion. The drug should be withdrawn gradually over 4 days. Others adverse effect is alteration of smell, taste sensation, abnormal movements, facial tics. On-off phenomenon may be due to variable levels of dopamine in the CNS. In on state, patient enjoys normal mobility. In off state, loss of beneficial effect of drugs. As for example, patient unable to rise from chair on which he had sat few minutes ago. Fluctuation in plasma level because of short half-life. Treatment: sustained release formulation of levodopa plus carbidopa, COMT inhibitors, frequent administration of levodopa. Drug interaction of levodopa. Vitamin B6 reduces the beneficial effects of levodopa by enhancing its extracerebral metabolism. Increased metabolism of levodopa. Therapy with MAO inhibitors must be stopped 14 days prior to the initiation of levodopa therapy. Drug interaction with phenothiazines, that is antipsychotic drugs, reserpine, butyrophenons, antagonize the effect of levodopa because they lead to a junctional blockade of dopaminergic receptor. Carbidopa. Carbidopa decrease peripheral decarboxylation of levodopa. Carbidopa do not cross blood-brain barrier. Currently use fixed dose combination. Advantages of levodopa: prolongation of half-life of levodopa, decrease systemic concentration of dopamine, hence decrease adverse effects of GIT, cardiovascular complication is minimized, patient compliance is better. Dopamine agonist, an alternative to levodopa. This will act on striatal dopamine receptor even in advanced patients, do not require enzymatic conversion. Dopamine agonist, important drug is bromocriptine. It is ergot derivative, do not require enzymatic conversion to active metabolites, longer duration of action than levodopa, prevent motor complication. Mechanism: partial D1 agonist, strong D2 agonist. Uses of bromocriptine: Parkinsonism can be used alone. Uses adjuvant to levodopa. Serves improve control, wiring of dose and on-off fluctuation. Use in suppression of lactation. It is safer than estrogen. Acromegaly and ACTH dependent tumors. Adverse effect of bromocriptine: hallucination, confusion, vomiting. Contraindication: peptic ulcer, myocardial infarction, mental illness. MAO-B inhibitors. Two different types of isoenzyme of MAO are found in MAO-A and MAO-B. MAO-B is responsible for most of the oxidative metabolism of dopamine in the brain. There is MAO-B metabolize the dopamine, thereby deficiency of dopamine in the brain. Selegiline, selective irreversible inhibitors of MAO-B, thereby increase the concentration of dopamine in the brain. Prolonged advantages of MAO-B inhibitors: prolonging T-half of endogenously produced dopamine, increase anti-Parkinsonism effect of dopamine, decrease on-off wiring of phenomenon. Mechanism of action: selegiline retard the breakdown of dopamine in the CNS, blockade of presynaptic dopamine receptors, inhibition of dopamine reuptake from the synapse. Pharmacokinetics is extensively metabolized in the liver. Metabolites are dismethylselegiline and methamphetamine. Metabolite is amphetamine. Adverse effect: postural hypotension, confusion and psychosis. Another drug is dopamine facilitator, increase the action of dopamine. Amantadine, usually it is an antiviral drug, effective against influenza A2 virus. Mechanism of action. It acts presynaptically and postsynaptically. Presynaptically, increase release of stored catecholamine from intact dopaminergic terminals. Inhibit catecholamine reuptake process at the presynaptic terminal. Postsynaptically, activation of dopaminergic receptor directly. Anticholinergic action. NMDA, that means N-methyl D-aspartate receptor blocking effect. Uses only in milder case of monotherapy. Supplement to levodopa for advanced cases. It serves to suppress motor fluctuations and abnormal movements. Side effect: insomnia, dizziness, confusion, nightmares. Central anticholinergic drug. In Parkinsonism, there is a overactivity of acetylcholine. To counter this effect acts anticholinergic drug. These are the only drugs effective in drug-induced Parkinsonism. Antimuscarinic agents improve tremor and rigidity but have little effect on bradykinesia. Uses: iatrogenic Parkinsonism, anti-dopaminergic drug induced. Idiopathic Parkinsonism, useful in the management of mild to moderate symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Advantage: main action centrally, so minimal peripheral action, cheaper and better tolerated than levodopa. Adverse effect: antimuscarinic side effect, that is dry mouth, constipation, drowsiness, blurring of vision, retention of urine. Another drug is antihistamine. Drugs is orphanadrine, promethazine. H1 blockers addition antimuscarinic action of acetylcholine. Promethazine decrease tremors, rigidity, and drug-induced Parkinsonism. Blocked dopamine receptor in striatum. No deficiency of dopamine. Here dopamine is normal, but dopaminergic receptor is blocked by anti-dopaminergic drug. Main drug is antipsychotic drugs. Haloperidol, phenothiazine. This is the antipsychotic drugs. High potent T2 blocker, dopaminergic blocker, thereby drug-induced Parkinsonism. Reserpine, dopamine depleting agents, thereby cause deficiency of dopamine. Metoclopramide, at present time this drug not used. Cross blood-brain barrier, block D2 receptor. MPTP, that is 1-methyl 4-phenyl 1,2,3,6 tetrahydropyridine. 1-methyl 4-phenyl 1,2,3,6 tetrahydropyridine. MAO-B metabolized, produced neurotoxin. Oxidative stresses: dopamine converted to DOPAC, that is dihydroxyphenyl acetic acid, formation of free radicals, degradation of dopaminergic neuron. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.